And the death toll from the coronavirus outbreak has risen to more than 1,500. China's National Health Commission reports a further 2,600 people have been diagnosed with the disease. So far, more than 66,000 people have fallen ill. China says changes in the way patients are diagnosed has led to a spike in confirmed cases. The Asian nation is searching for ways to limit the impact the disease will have on its economy. China's central bank is adopting prudent policies, but experts believe the economic superpower will record the slowest quarterly growth since the global financial crisis.
We have been putting people first and making the epidemic control and resuming production a very important political task. We have taken every measure possible in a targeted way, an all-out way.
Travellers returning to China are being ordered to self-isolate or face punishment as the number of people diagnosed rises.
World health officials are scrambling to contain the deadly coronavirus outbreak amid a growing war of words between China and the U.S. More than 60,000 people have now been infected, the vast majority in China, where strict containment protocols are now in place. But some U.S. officials are accusing the Chinese government of a lack of transparency, suggesting Beijing is not cooperating enough with the international community. The World Health Organization pushing back on those claims.
The major scientific coordination organization in China is called the China CDC. I wonder where they got that idea. Scientists collaborate regardless. They get on with it.
The WHO also says there's no indication the virus is spreading rapidly outside of China. But there have already been more than a dozen confirmed cases in the U.S., prompting the CDC to step up their testing and vaccine research. Hundreds of Americans evacuated from China also remain under federal quarantine, most saying they understand the need for containment.
We're trying to do the best we can, stay here, make sure we're okay, not carrying any virus out.
The CDC acknowledging the virus does have a foothold in the U.S., and they're expecting to see more cases before the outbreak is contained. But most doctors and health officials still insist there's little threat to the general public.
In the U.S., we've done a very good job together working with public health departments and the CDC at containing the virus.
The WHO says its full team of international experts will touch down in China over the weekend.